If you're a breastfeeding mom dealing with sore or cracked nipples, I want you to know that you're definitely not alone. Studies show that up to 90% of breastfeeding mothers experience nipple pain in the early weeks. The good news is that silver nursing cups have become a natural and effective solution that many moms absolutely love. Today, I'll compare the top 4 silver nursing cup brands for you: Silverette, Moogco, Momcozy, and Willow. So, what exactly are silver nursing cups? They're small cup-shaped devices made from pure silver that fit over your nipples between feedings. Silver has been used for centuries for its natural antibacterial and healing properties. These cups create a protective barrier while helping your skin heal faster. Here's how they work. Silver has natural antimicrobial properties that help prevent infection. The cups create a moist, healing environment. They protect your sensitive nipples from rubbing against clothing. And your own breast milk, combined with silver's healing properties, promotes faster recovery. Let's look at each brand. Silverette is often considered the gold standard. Made in Italy from sterling silver, they've been trusted by mothers worldwide for years. They're FDA registered and recommended by lactation consultants. The price is around $80 to $90. Moogco offers the best value in my opinion. Made from 999 fine silver, which is actually purer than sterling silver. They're more affordable, lightweight, and come with a protective case. The price is around $45 to $55. Momcozy comes with nice additional features like a storage pouch and good customer service. The price is around $40 to $50. And Willow offers a budget-friendly option for those who want to try silver cups without a big investment. The price is around $25 to $35. How do you use silver nursing cups? It's really simple. After breastfeeding, just put a few drops of breast milk on your nipple. Then place the cup over your nipple and wear it inside your bra. Remove before your next feeding and rinse with warm water. Most moms see improvement within just 24 to 48 hours. You can even wear them while sleeping. My recommendation? For most moms, I recommend Moogco as the best overall value. They offer the highest silver purity at a reasonable price. If budget isn't a concern, Silverette is an excellent premium choice with years of proven results. Silver nursing cups can truly be a game changer for your breastfeeding journey. Visit Momcozy.com to learn more. Thank you for watching.